What's going on YouTube? This is Tyrone Trinity, the Diesel Soldier, and today I'm going to show you guys something you might be familiar with or not familiar with. And a lot of people has been asking me about this tool right here. It's not particularly a tool, but let's get on with it. And it's the tool creeper. Let's go. So if you guys don't know what this is a tool creeper. As you can see, there's a wheel and it literally says the tool creeper. And I got this in Amazon about 4 months ago, and since I took a picture of it, posted on Instagram, there has been a lot of questions on where I got this. Well guys, I got this on Amazon. I know a lot of people are against Amazon. I guess this is one of those companies. Is a startup and they start selling it on Amazon. I looked it up on eBay. It's not available on eBay. I don't know what manufacturer make this, because when it's sent to me, it was just on a box wrapped around in prime, and all it says is a tool creeper. It's pretty simple, cut and dry, no BS. That's all I got. There's nothing special to it. It's already pre-assembled, and since the day I got this, I brought it in the shop. I've worked a lot. I remember it was like October, November. I work a lot of SCRs. We have a lot of recalls and Cummins especially. And this is so handy to have when you are working under the truck. This is like a must-have if you are in a truck industry or working on diesel trailers, everything. The truck industry, working under the truck, you need one of these because it's so convenient to have a tool creeper right next to you that you can just put whatever you need and within hands reach, if that's the right word to say. So for example, like I need like a 10 mil, a 7/16, something like that. I can just have my extension here, right there. I can have a whole rack right here. I usually have, when I'm working with this, I usually have a magnetized one, so it doesn't move around a lot. And what I usually do to keep my bolts organized is I would have a magnetized tray around it. This is actually made out of metal, so it will stick to it. See how strong that is? Right there. I didn't just drop that. It actually is magnetized, and you can organize your bolt that way, and pretty much your imagination is limitless when it comes to this tool right here. And this is how I stay organized under the truck. And I would have my light would be somewhere right here. This is not actually a good light to have, but that's not the main point of this. But it was just, I would have a light here, like the Astro light that I have, be pointing up there, and I would have all my tools right here, and I would have like a tray, and I would have a tray right here so I can keep my bolts organized. And most of the tools I have is right here. I would have my ratchet, my electric ratchet right here, right there, and all the things that I need is right here within hands reach. I don't have to keep getting up out of the under the truck, get up from my creeper, which is, if you are in this industry, can get heavy on your body, because our job is really taking a toll to our body throughout the years. So this could actually reduce that, and having within hands reach while you're reaching up is actually a good, it will help a lot of things, like efficiency wise, health wise, back wise. So this tool creeper right here actually has like not one of those that started it all. It actually has a cheaper version of this, which is on Harbor Freight, and I will show you guys that right now, which is this tool creeper right here. I got this in Harbor Freight about a year ago, and I haven't been in Harbor Freight about a year now, since the day I got this. As you can see, it's dirty. I don't really use it. It's made out of plastic. but it has a metal magnetic base. I don't know, this is not a magnetic base, it's just a metal, so you can stick your, for example, your light here. And this could work for you, but this could be also a problem because when it gets hot or cold, this could get brittle and it could just break on you while you're working. So you don't want that. I know it sounds like a salesman right now, but this actually is a good purchase for me, because this is, when I originally bought this, this was like 75 bucks, but I guess they keep running out of this actual tool creeper. I was gonna buy another one to give to my coworker that's really nice to me, and so I was gonna buy him one of these, but now it's like $84. I'm like, you know, he's cool, but he ain't that cool to me to spend $84, but it's all good. He's my boy. So, and one thing to note is that this, the caster is really smooth. You can actually roll this on a rough cement or ground and it will still roll. I don't know about rolling it on the gravel, but, and the caster sometimes can get loose, so I would put like a thread lock so you can keep it sturdy enough to last for really long. And this, and also one thing to note is that dirt for some reason or grease sticks on this. I actually degreased this and pressure washed it, and then I used it for like an hour doing a oil pan job, and I didn't even put the oil pan on this, or I just put the bolt and the ratchet, or the socket and the ratchet has oil in it, and I put it right here. I guess it just spilled all over the place or drips all over the place. That's one thing to know, but anything else, this is a perfect purchase, especially for you guys on the truck industry, because working on the trucks, not all shops have a lift that you can lift the car or the truck to have your tool cart right there. So this is, if you don't have one of those lifts from fancy shops that has a lift, this is one of the good things that you can help you on your job. So that's about it, guys. This is about the tool creeper. Amazon, if it's available, it's $84. If you have Prime, it's free shipping. And right now, I checked, it's not available, so you're just gonna have to look for it if you are interested on this. I'm not sponsored by this. I've actually bought it with my own money. Never been sponsored. All the tools I sent you guys or showed you guys is all purchased by myself, myself, and I. I'm sponsored by ALSA, but their tools are okay, and I refuse to review a tool that's not really that useful to me. Alright guys, so that's about it. Again, this is Tyrone Trinity, the Diesel Soldier, reminding you guys that knowledge is a tool. Use it wisely. Audi!